I want to talk about rocker arm and push rod for inspection, disassembly, and assembly. Unscrew the 7 rocker cover mounting bolts of the cylinder head to remove the rocker cover. Unscrew the 6 mounting bolts of the rocker arm to remove the rocker arm shaft assembly and push rod. Pull out the snap ring of the rocker arm shaft assembly end to remove the rocker arm and rocker arm shaft. Measure the inside diameter of the rocker bushing and the outside diameter of the rocker shaft. If the clearance exceeds the limit, replace either rocker assembly or rocker shaft with the new one. Measure the push rod runout with a dial gauge. If the measured value exceeds the limit, replace the armature with the new one. Insert each push rod into its hole in the cylinder head, and make sure that the ball end of each push rod is placed correctly on the tappet cup. Apply oil to the rocker arm shaft and bush, and then install the rocker arm shaft and tighten the mounting bolts to the specified torque. Install a new packing to the rocker arm cover, and then install the rocker arm cover and tighten the mounting bolts to the specified torque in the specified order. This concludes the explanation of the rocker arm and push rod for inspection, disassembly, and assembly.